Hello students. Now in the accountancy we start chapter number 10, that is bank reconciliation statement. Now first of all, what is bank reconciliation statement? Now see. Now we have seen chapter number 7, that is cash book and cash book. In that we were preparing three columnar cash book having discount, cash and bank column, right? Now whenever we transact with the bank, whenever do transaction with the bank, we also record in our cash book and bank will also record in the passbook, right, in our account. For example, we have deposited rupees 5,000 in the bank. So 5,000 record on debit side in our cash book, right, because bank becomes the receiver. तो डेबिट आएगा, फिर पासबुक में यहाँ पे क्रेडिट हो जाएगा. वी हैव डिपॉजिटेड, तो पासबुक में क्रेडिट हो जाएगा. मतलब द ट्रांजेक्शन विच वी हैव डन विद द बैंक, दैट बोथ वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड इन कैश बुक एंड इन पासबुक, right? But so that is called as perfect transaction. There is no difference arises in our cash book and bank book, because at the end of some period, at the end of the month, our bank balance and bank balance in the bank as per passbook both should be matched with each other. और जितना हम विड्रॉ करेंगे उतना यहाँ भी रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए, यहाँ भी रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए. हाउ मच वी आर डिपॉजिटिंग, दैट इज टू बी रिकॉर्डेड over here also and over here also. Then only we can get that matched balance in cash book and in passbook, right? So there is no difference arises whenever we record both in cash book and both in passbook. Now sometimes what happen, because of in the rush or in the hurry, we do not record the transaction which we have done with the bank either in cash book or in bank book. For example, the 5,000 we have recorded, the 5,000 we have deposited in the bank. When we deposit cash into the bank, that bank record 5,000 in the bank. The bank has already recorded, but because of some reason we have not recorded 5,000 in our cash book, right? So mistake will arises. Our bank balance as per cash book and our bank balance as per passbook both will not matched with each other at the end of the month, right? So whenever this kind of difference arises, then what to do? This is a difference, this is a mistake, because we have not deposited 5,000 in our cash book. So because of this reason, our bank balance as per cash book and our bank balance as per passbook both will not matched with each other. So in that case, whenever this kind of difference arises, we have to prepare bank reconciliation statement to record this unrecorded transaction. तो बैंक सिंपल मीनिंग ऑफ बैंक रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट मीन्स कि जो ट्रांजैक्शन हमने इधर कैश बुक और पासबुक में नहीं रिकॉर्ड किया है, जिससे डिफरेंस अराइज होता है, वो ट्रांजैक्शन हम बैंक रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. समझ में आया? सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज बैंक रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट, राइट? Now bank reconciliation is not an account and it is a statement, and that is prepared by the trader only. जो डिफरेंस ट्रांजेक्शन अराइज होंगे, राइट? समटाइम्स क्या होगा कि 5,000 हमने रिकॉर्ड कर लिए, डिपॉजिट किया, बट बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीज़न बैंक हैज़ नॉट रिकॉर्डेड, तो भी ये डिफरेंस अराइज होगा. तो दिस डिफरेंस वी record in our bank reconciliation statement, right? So this is called as bank reconciliation statement. Now we have seen what is passbook. Passbook, we generally know what is passbook. Passbook means trader's copy in the bank account or in the bank book, that is called as passbook. So see, passbook means a copy or extract of a trader's account in the books of a bank, so that is called as passbook. Now cash book we have seen. Now we have seen that the cash book always starts either with balance or the overdraft balance brought down or with the overdraft. ये हम सम करेंगे तो समझेंगे, right? But right now you see with that meaning of bank reconciliation statement, that we have also seen that whatever difference arises in between cash book and passbook, the difference we record in one particular statement, the statement is called as bank reconciliation statement. right? Now purpose of preparing bank, what is the purpose of preparing bank reconciliation statement? In that first one is, with the help of BRS, reasons of differences between bank balance as per cash book, बैंक बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक कैन बी फाउंड आउट, मतलब कि दोनों के बैलेंस में अगर डिफरेंस अराइज होगा तो हम बैंक रिकन्सिलिएशन प्रिपेयर करेंगे. एज द कॉजेज ऑफ डिफरेंस कैन बी फाउंड आउट बिटवीन बोथ बैलेंसेस, एरर कमिटेड इफ एनी कैन बी रेक्टिफाइड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अकाउंटिंग हेल्प or accounting entries. Means what a difference arises that we are prepared, difference arises for that we prepare bank reconciliation statement. So this is a rectification, we are rectifying our account by preparing bank reconciliation statement. Then if any transaction is omitted to be recorded in cash book, so if any transaction is omitted because of some mistake, so that also we can rectify our error by preparing bank reconciliation statement. If any errors are committed in recorded in any transaction, they come to know immediately and errors can be rectified. So any errors committed in recording any transaction, they come to know immediately and errors can be rectified. मतलब अगर हमने कोई एरर किया है, राइट, तो बैलेंस अगर मैच नहीं होगा तो हमें इमीडिएटली पता चल जाएगा that we have committed some mistake. By preparing bank reconciliation statement, actual bank balance can be known, which is shown in the balance sheet, and thereby real financial picture of a business is obtained. By preparing bank reconciliation statement, actual bank balance can be known. Now whenever we prepare bank balance, we can come to know what is our actual balance, because whatever transaction we have not recorded, that we record in BRS. So BRS का भी हम लास्ट में टोटलिंग करेंगे तो हमें पता चल जाएगा कि हमारे बैंक में, हमारे अकाउंट में कितने पैसे हैं. नेक्स्ट इज बाय embezzlement of cash from bank transaction can be traced out by preparing bank reconciliation statement. That means if any malpractice is done for the cash in our account, that can also be known, because at the end of the month our balance will not be matched with the bank account. Then compensating errors can be traced out by preparing reconciliation statement. Compensating errors means कैन बी ट्रेस्ड आउट बाय प्रिपेयरिंग रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट. मतलब कि हमने मतलब कि टेम्पररी कोई मिस्टेक हमने करेक्शन किया है, दैट टू मैच आउट द बैलेंस, that can also be traced out for whenever we prepare bank reconciliation statement. Then by preparing BRS, information can be obtained regarding checks deposited but dishonored, as well as interest, commission charges recorded by the bank in our account. So whenever we prepare bank reconciliation statement, whatever checks we have deposited in the bank or whatever checks we have given for the withdrawal, that can also be come out for by preparing this BRS. The next is reasons for differences for bank balance between cash book and passbook. Now what the kind of transaction that will come to record in the bank reconciliation statement? That is, first when check is deposited in bank but not credited by bank. Now whenever we have check deposited in the bank but not credited by bank, this is the first case. मतलब कि now see, when we deposit check into the bank become the receiver. So 5,000 we have recorded in our cash book, but bank has not recorded. So this is an error. So this transaction we record in our bank reconciliation statement. Then checks issued but not presented for payment. Now we have issued check of rupees 2,000 in the bank, means we have to do payment. So that we have recorded in our bank, in our cash book, but that is not recorded by bank. Then the next is direct deposited by customer in our bank. Direct deposit means कि when any customer has deposited 1,000 rupees check in our bank, this is deposited side and this is withdrawal side, right? So bank has credited that 1,000 rupees check in our bank account, but we do not know about that. So this mistake will arises in our both the accounts. So this is the third one. Then interest, commission, charges, etc. recorded by bank in traders account. Now for example, there is 50 rupees interest that is credited by bank, but we do not know about that. So also this is also a mistake which arises. Then the next is uh, amount received on behalf of a trader and credited to his account by bank but not recorded in cash book. Amount recorded in behalf of a trader and credited to his account but not recorded in our cash book. मतलब किसी ने मतलब amount amount recovered on behalf of a trader, मतलब on behalf of us bank has recorded some amount, but we do not know about that, right? So for that this is also a mistake, or this is also an omitted transaction, so this we record in our bank reconciliation statement. Check recorded in cash book but left deposited in bank. Check recorded, for example deposit check of rupees 5000 that we have recorded in our cash book. See, we have recorded deposited check in our cash book, but that is left to record by the bank. So this transaction, that is also this transaction, that this we also record in our bank reconciliation statement. Then after next one, that is check recorded in cash book but left undeposited in bank. So this is also done. Check deposited in the bank but not recorded in cash book. Then after check issued and presented for payment in bank but left unrecorded in cash book. Then after check recorded in cash book but not given to traders. 10th one, payment made by bank but not recorded in cash book. Dishonor of a bill exchange discounted with bank unrecorded in cash book, and other errors. Now you can come to know that how these errors arises. ये एरर्स ऐसी है कि कैश बुक और बैंक बुक दोनों में से एक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुई होगी, इसलिए ये एरर्स अराइज हुई है. सो दिस एरर्स वी रिकॉर्ड इन आवर बैंक रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट, राइट. सो आज के लिए मैं इतना ही कराती हूँ. यू रीड आउट ऑल दिस एरर्स और यू रीड आउट ऑल द रीजन्स फॉर डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन कैश बुक एंड पासबुक. So you read out all the 12 differences, right? Okay, so that's all for today.